Five-star general.
5-star.
What happened, my people? Oh, we're here for you. We're here for you. And you hear me? Allow. Man of the moment.
Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Michelle. Blaster place, no. Ghana local place, no. All the Biache. City TV. City.
Artist of the Year, we are particularly glad that you could be here to celebrate with us. A very special win for the 5-star general, King Promise. If you are here for King Promise, please make some noise. Great. And in addition to that, tonight we are doing 2 main activities as well to support the celebration. So the first will be award presentation for 3 categories. We have the Instrumentalist of the Year going to be presented tonight. We have the Traditional Artist of the Year going to be presented tonight. And then we have the Titan Award. The Titan Award goes to people within the music business space who contribute, who are not necessarily artists. And they are the ones we are going to be recognizing tonight as well. So these 3 categories are going to be recognized tonight. And then we are going to have the presentation of plaques to all winners. Everybody who won something on the night, on the big night, they are going to get their plaques tonight. So that is going to happen. And then of course, we'll have a 5-star experience from the 5-star general, musical, and of course, a jam. Anyhow you want to put it, but we are going to have an awesome experience. So that on the side, what is next on our calendar? On the 21st, we're going to have the
Five-star general.
5-star.
What happened, my people? Oh, we're here for you. We're here for you. And you hear me? Allow. Man of the moment. King. Bro. I beg you. Man of the moment. Make you go back small.
So it's more like a distribution label. So they are going to help push my music to more broader boundaries, like international audience, and also invest in my craft. This has been my prayer because big shout out to Sky Entertainment, my record label. They were doing most of the things for me, but this is going to be an elevation from like level 1 to level 3. So they are going to push my music and my craft internationally.
The next, for any ensemble artist of the year, whoever wins that category, the next is the new artist of the year. How prepared are you?
Fully prepared, because I always boost up myself when I listen to my archive. I mean, the work I've been putting in, and you have been an instrument in my journey to big shout outs to you. Other categories that I don't want to.
Are you targeting the artist of the year too?
Yes. You are coming for everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, your ensemble, winner of the ensemble category, Yao Darling. Please give it up for Yao Darling.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for that.
gracing the stage, please, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you these beautiful twins. And they're about to blow the stage up. Please give it up for Lali and Lola. Are we good with that? All right, thank you very much, and I trust and hope that
She said that I came that she might have life and have a long time tonight. She said that I came that she might have life and have a long time tonight.